They want to take this land from Igbos now. And this is exactly what is going on. And I now go to Lagos now. They are taking it back to them because their land belongs to them. All this land now, Unugolo, all of them now, they want to take the land. All this land that you people have spent millions of naira buy, build house. Yeah, they want to take those land again because it's not for you. You are from Igbo, you are from Anambra, you are from Enugu, you are from Imo, you are from Ebonyi State. Yes, you are from other state, you are not from Yoruba land. So they want to take over their property, they want to take over their land. They want to take over their land. This is what they are planning to do. Getting out of hand. Is getting out of hand. Is getting out of hand. Is getting out of hand. Our people houses on I could see every day by day, and nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Their houses have been destroyed by the Lagos State governor every day, and nobody is talking about it. Everybody just kept quiet because you never touch your brothers. Do you know how many millions of naira Igbos are losing in Lagos? Do you know how many million naira it costs to buy 2 plots of land, 1 plot of land, a build house that place? Do you know how many million naira it costs one person to build a house? And after all those things, they will just destroy it with no compensation, nothing. Just like that. Is it not wickedness? Is it not wickedness? Is it not wickedness? Is it not wickedness? Our people are just suffering from the hand of the politicians in this country, Nigeria. Our people are suffering for the hand of wicked leaders in Nigeria. Any Igbo, only Igbo again, local again na Lagos. Eman onyahu, Ibana Igbo, a disgrace to Igbos. Any Igbo that build a house or buy land in Lagos again, you know that you are a disgrace to Igbos. Because this thing that the Lagos State governor is doing, he know what he's doing. Lagos State governor know exactly what he's doing. I'm the one that's saying it. Every day they will come to this side, find one grammar, speak, Lagos State Bank, blah, 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 blah. They just destroy houses. And they know that majority of those houses is Igbos, owned by Igbos. Only Obonabo Igbo again, no local owner na Lagos, in Ghana, nego property name, only ambo a disgrace to Igbos. What you need to do your business, but when you are doing your business, use your wisdom, develop your land, develop your land. Develop your land, develop your land, do investment in your state, do investment in your state. If you are from Enugu, you don't want to do investment in Enugu, you can do investment in Anambra State. If you are in Anambra State, you don't want to do investment in Anambra State, you can go to Imo State or you go to Ebonyi State. Do investment. These people don't want you. All this thing that you are doing, they are taking over everything. They are taking over all this land now that Igbo have buy millions of nairas. And Anina and the Igbo go to Lagos now. They want to take it back from Igbos. They want to take this land from Igbos now. And this is exactly what is going on. And Anina only go to Lagos now. They are taking it back to them because their land belongs to them. All this land now, Unugolo, all of them now, they want to take the land. All this land that you people have spent millions of naira buy, build house. Yeah, they want to take those land again because it's not for you. You are from Igbo, you are from Anambra, you are from Enugu, you are from Imo, you are from Ebonyi State. Yes, you are from other state, you are not from Yoruba land. So they want to take over their property, they want to take over their land. They want to take over their land. This is what they are planning to do. This is what they are planning, and this is happening now. The individual, I told you before that individual, all these people, allies, they will tell Igbos, go. I don't need you in Lagos. Go back to your state. Like what happened in election. What happened to election? What happened in election? In presidential election, they tell Igbos, if you want to vote for P2B, go to East and go and vote for P2B. Go to Anambra and go vote for P2B. This one, that language is what individual can speak. But when you come to politicians, they will use indirect way, political way to chase you out from their land. And this is what is happening in Lagos. This is what is happening in Lagos. And our Igbo's brothers and sisters, some of them are just keep quiet. They don't care. They don't care for what is going on. It's the time that Igbos we have meeting. It's the time that Igbos have a main meeting, plan how they will bring those markets down to this east. If they want to open another one, let them open another one that place. They will know that all the fingers are not equal. Only here God it's when God it's so I'm sending this message to all the Igbos. I'm sending this message to all the Igbos. It's the time that we are going to wake up. It's the time that we are going to wake up to come back to our house, our home. It's the time that we come back and develop our home. They are taking the land from you. All the land that you spend millions of naira, build house, buy land, investment, you do investment. Yorubas are taking it back from you. But they are using political way to take it back from you. They are using political way to take it back from you. They are taking those land from you. All those land, and I need now to go to Lagos. All these houses in Lagos, they are taking it back to you. Alaba International Market. Alaba is a Yoruba land, it's not the Igbo land. They want to take their land in Alaba. Do you see how they take it? Do you see how they collect it from you? They find one glamour, speak, call caterpillar, destroy everywhere. Now they don't conquer that land now. All these places Lagos State governor are destroying now. They want to take it back from them, from you people. So why can't you people get sense? I don't have strength to be coming to shouting, but this thing is paining me a lot. I don't know how many times he get Mike and some of you disgrace to Igbos. Oh my God. Some of you people are now planning to buy 20 plot of land in Lagos. After you've seen all those things, you still buy land in Lagos. You were a disgrace to Igbos. After you see all those things they are doing to your brothers or your sisters. My God. If you check in on a moment in Lagos State, see how they destroy their houses in Lagos. And you want to still go out to buy land, to build house. You were a disgrace to Igbos. Because tomorrow this thing may happen to you. If it not happen to you, it happen to your children. Because they must collect their land. Many people in the north now, all the people, like almost somebody money and this the man, the guy is from he's in South Africa now. He told me his father built house in north. I don't forget I have HF Guma for that particular state in north. Now also Galaba now. Hotel, where houses, but now all the strong and all the suffer. Naya suffer in the youth. Big low investment. All the investment have been taken over. Property Naya. Do you see? Any investment or email and outside Igbo land 50-50. Tomorrow they may find 1 gram of speak, collect it from you. In Nigeria, there's nothing like one Nigeria. We are not one Nigeria. We are not one Nigeria. We are not one Nigeria. Any investment, you are Igbo. Any investment, email nicer than Igbo is 50-50. If you don't suffer it, your children will suffer it. Some of all these houses, Lagos State governor don't destroy now. Maybe the people who buy the land, they don't die. Don't pay me. Now their children just take over the land. Take over the property of their father. But right now, all they suffer where their father suffer, get money, everything had done gone. Lagos State governor know what he's doing in Lagos. Lagos State governor know what he's doing in Lagos. They want to collect their land back from Igbos. They want to collect their property. They want to collect their land. Because the Lagos State is not an Igbo land. It's Yoruba land. They want to collect their land. They want to collect their property from Igbos. All the millions of naira Igbos spend, build market, build houses, buy land. They want to collect it back from you people. Because that land is not from you. And now My God. I will go and rest because of some little challenge now. They want to collect it back from you because that Lagos state is not from Igbos. It's from Yorubas. So they want to collect it back from you, but they're using political way to collect those land from you. After you develop, after you build mansions, after you build shop, they want to collect it back on you. Come back to Anambra State. Come and do investment. Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, and Imo. Go that place and do your investment. Gaba investment. Stop on here on the Stop on all those things they are doing to you people.